In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly obtain a Shopify API key in 2025 by creating a custom app within your Shopify admin panel. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to streamline integrations and gain secure access to your Shopify store data. The first step in this process is to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your central dashboard where all magic happens, providing you control over your store's settings, products, and customer interactions. Once logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar, which is your navigation hub for this journey. Here, click on Apps and Sales Channel. This section is dedicated to managing your store's applications and sales channels, crucial for expanding your store's capabilities. As you scroll down this page, you'll see the option to develop apps for your store. Click on this to begin the app development process. If this is your first time here, you might notice a prompt to allow custom app development. It's important to enable this feature to allow for full access to developing custom apps specific to your store's needs. Sometimes this step requires you to click Allow Custom App Development twice just to confirm your shop's readiness for custom apps. Once you've enabled custom app development, you're ready to create a new app. Click on Create an App. Here you'll need to provide a descriptive name for your app, such as Integration App or Data Sync App. A well-chosen name reflects the app's purpose and helps keep your projects organized. Next, you will arrive at your app's overview page, which is where you'll configure the admin API scopes. Click on Configure Admin API Scopes, where you'll define the specific permissions your app will have. These permissions are essential as they determine what data your app can access and modify. For instance, you might select scopes like Read Products, Write Orders, and Read Customers, depending on what functionality your app requires. After carefully selecting the necessary scopes that align with your app's needs, remember to hit Save. Now you're ready for the next important step, installing your app. Click Install App and then confirm the installation when prompted. This confirmation step ensures everything is set up correctly for your app to function as intended. Upon successful installation, you'll now need to secure your API key. Head over to the Admin API Access Token section within your app's settings. Here, click Reveal Token Once to view your access token. This access token is essentially your API key, and it's imperative to copy it immediately and store it securely. Remember, these tokens are designed to only be revealed once, so make sure you have it copied to a safe place. This API key, along with its accompanying API secret key, if provided, serves as your authentication method when making requests to the Shopify Admin API. By following these steps, you've now successfully created a custom app and obtained your Shopify API key in 2025. With this, you can now securely integrate your store with various platforms and optimize your e-commerce operations. Enjoy this new capability and happy integrating.